Ashaiman ena me frinche mu ni nyina ase na se okwa Ashaiman na no ada asrafo kokokire omanfo bi ohodo mu a waka wo mu achi empire na se empire ya waka wo mu ni nti dodo no a wachi wo mu no ebi asan abafie na enumu nti no empanimfo ya wo mu wa Ashaiman ya waka bi ewo mu no wone eye empanimfo dom ahyebedwafo atwa mu ko wo mu ati so nyina ti makwa akwasra sankrofo yi ya wo hwe kwa obefa so anya bibi kakra mo wo mu na wode ahwe wapomde ho nse Wamu ye adwuma e wa Ashaiman e de adesre eto Adom penifo anim se ene animu yo mepa omanfo chew no mpa Ghana fo nyina chew e wo bra wo bebro omanfo a womo e wa Ashaiman ochemu se e wo mu se osrani ya wo komni won ka se womo ye ayade de nanso enisa asrafo sori etia omanfo wa bra ye wo kabima menka biamemu emu mankralo ya wo bato traditional area boboji ya wo toso enso ene Adom Kasee etwetwe enkomo
though the action that the civilians take for killing of a military officer, they protect the whole nation, is a bad action. And we are against that particular action. But the reason why I'm calling for the military command, high command to apologize to the Ghanaians is that this is not our practice as a democratic country. For the brutality. The area where the thing happened is far from some of the areas that they take the action. It's a disgrace to the whole world that the high command of the army can let his people brutalize people and make their parents to roll in the toilet of cows and put it on the social media. It's a disgrace to the government.
And wechi omanfo bi so e de ohawa wo mo fam wa bra asrafo e ba brono no so etudwa
mina no mubu me ye pa o ya din ase because na ye ejuma me say ye ejuma yo ya din ye ejuma ba as once I see and say a police soldier for time for woman street so e bo amanfo nti ya ju say etu emengezi man no dream ka e ba ye so ya din na mbe buye bia me kote ono mi kote nyakwa kote ba ho mi oba bia me te no frame no dia basi mu so ta so mu bumi and
nti they don't even come out. Oh, it's no a very difficult situation. In fact, some of us are young boss DNA, a bass and a Jumana and Bassana.